Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add products on Wix. So let's go to the Wix dashboard first. Now you have to click on, just hover up your mouse on catalog. Then you'll find three options. You have to choose the store products. Just hover up your mouse on this and you'll find here products. Click on products. Here all of your products, and if you want to add new products, you can click here new products. It is digital file or physical product. I'm clicking physical one. You can add any products, digital or physical. You have to add an image here. Just click on and just choose an image from here, like this one. Click on add. Okay, now you can scroll down and you can name the ad name here. You can name the ribbon. You can add the description or product titles, product descriptions. You can pricing here, like any price you want you can add here. It's on sale, discount 0%. Okay, you can do it according to your need. After that, you have to click on save. Your product name, t-shirt. Just click on save and your product will be saved here, t-shirt. Okay, so this is how you can add products on Wix. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.